Hey my friends and my seniors, my name is Kunal. So today's topic is very important to all of you. Yes guys, so today's topic is very important to all of you. So guys, we also know that if we did not know English, so we are failure in our life. Yes guys, so like we know that because like when we read something, when we read or something, but we did not know how to speak. We read something or we write something, but in English, but we cannot speak English. Why? Because we cannot know the way to speak English. Yes, guys. So this is the topic. Today's topic is very important to every beginners, every people. So like we read lots of books, but we didn't know the main formula to learn something, to do something in English, to speak something in English. So today I will say the most important thing to all of you. The thing is the keyword. Yes guys, keyword. What is the keyword? The keyword is the most important thing to learn everything, to learn something, to speak something in English. Keyword is the most important thing to all of you. Like think, I will say what is the keyword. Like listen, be careful what I am saying, so then you can understand what is the meaning of keyword. The keyword is like think, like imagine I will say a story and I will explain in the story what is the keyword. Like think, keyword is a character. What is the character? Your topic character. Like think, I will say a story. The story's name is The Villager and the Spectator. So once upon a time, what happened? Once upon a time, there was a villager. And this villager was illiterate. He did not know how to read and write. And then one day he often saw in a man was sit down in the roadside, and then he reads in paper with wore a spectacle. So he decided to buy a spectacle. Then he thinking that if I have a spectacle, so I also read and write like this man. So then he can go to the town, and then he buy lots. He buy spectacles, and he said, "Shopkeeper, give me a spectacles." And then shopkeeper give him spectacles, various types of spectacles, and then the villager try one by one, and the shopkeeper give also a book. The villager take the book, and the villager did not read anything. Why? Because the villager did not know how to read and write. So like when the shopkeeper saw the doubtful look, and the villager said, "You all are spectacles are useless for me." And then the shopkeeper saw a doubtful look, and the shopkeeper said, "Do you did not know how to read and write?" And then the villager said, "No. First you," and the shopkeeper said, "First you read and write, and then you come back to buy spectacles. Spectacles only help you to see better, not read and write. First you read and write, and then you can buy spectacles." So this is the story. So in this story, as you can notice that I will say the three characters. What is the character? The villagers and the paper who read paper, three characters, and the shopkeeper. So I will say the three characters, and as you can notice that there are main points or main sentence in this story, like spectacles and reads, word, tried, and doubtful look. This is the like a main word. So like think, if you did not know the main word, so you can't speak, you can't make sentence. So if you want to make sentence, if you want to speak something to your own thing, so like watch the video to kill and so like that. First you think, imagine you thinking. First you imagine you thinking what you can tell. First you imagine you thinking in your mother tongue. Then you can translate this, or this is English. Try to translate in English. So then you can first you write the main part on the story, in the story. First you read, first you write on the story the main character. What is the character? Like the like a boy, like a girl, like a bus, like an auto, like a car. So you can write this whole thing. First you can write the main sentences, main word. So then you can automatically, your brain was very automatically you can think that you will say this, you will say your own things what you are thinking. So like that, this is the important thing to all of you. I will say that many people read lots of books, lots of things, but they cannot speak English. Why? Because they did not know the formula to the what is a keyword. Keyword is a very important. I will say keyboard is very important. So like if you like this video, subscribe and like also. If you subscribe also then my channel, so I got motivated to lots of motivate, then I will give you more knowledgeable videos, so then you can watch my videos, so then you can like understand English, then you can try to speak English what I'm saying, so then you can, I will say you the easy way to learn English, to learn everything in easy way. So if you like this video, so subscribe and bye guys. If you're new in this channel, so I also can say that my name is Kunal, I K8, my school name is Mananta Academy. So thank you for watching, bye.